Hats off to all my subscribers. This is Kapil Subba once again here, and today I'm going to unbox soldering machine, which is very helpful and useful for all the peoples throughout the world. Okay, with the help of this you can fix your problems, mobile phone problems, and you can also solder your different electronics goods. Okay, hope you enjoy this video. Thank you my friends and followers. I bought this box from Amazon.com. Okay, if you want to buy, you can also buy. You can also check on the link below. Okay, with the help of that link you can also buy. Okay, first of all, what we get here is, okay, these all are the product we get over here. Okay, I will show you one by one. Here itself a soldering machine or a soldering iron, okay, through which you can solder your home goods or home electronic products. Okay, taking aside, and what else, this is a stand. Okay, it's an soldering iron stand. Okay, here you can keep your soldering iron, okay, to prevent heat. And another, you can get a soldering wire. With the help of this you can solder any kind of wire and any kind of electronics. Okay, and finally you get a flux. Okay, this flux, it also helps you to brighten your solder. Okay, and this is also a spring where you can put your soldering iron in case it is hot or in case you are working with it. Okay, and here is a kind of wire, and the company that have been made this soldering machine is here. You can see the company name. Okay, this much. Okay, and I was going to show you how to fix your soldering stand. Okay, here you can keep your stand like this. Okay, in this way, and you can put screw. Okay, you can fix in this way. Okay, here is a soldering iron. Okay, I have fixed the stand. Okay, here you can put the stand in this way in case you are walking. Okay, and also I'm going to do soldering, and I'm going to teach you how to solder at your home. Okay, in next episode. Okay, hope you like my video. Thank you all my friends and followers. Hats off once again to all my subscribers. Thank you.